The world of work is changing at an unprecedented pace, driven largely by advancements in artificial intelligence. Many professionals are understandably concerned about how AI might impact their roles and their long-term career prospects. But instead of fear, we should embrace this moment as an incredible opportunity for growth and reinvention. This guide is designed to empower you, offering actionable strategies to not just survive, but truly thrive in the AI era. We will explore the skills that AI cannot easily replicate, helping you build a career that is resilient and future-proof. Your income and professional relevance can absolutely grow alongside these technological shifts. First, let's clarify what AI does best. AI excels at automating repetitive tasks, processing vast amounts of data, and identifying patterns far quicker than any human. It can handle calculations, generate basic content, and optimize routine operations with remarkable efficiency. However, AI currently struggles with tasks requiring genuine human intuition, complex ethical judgment, and deep emotional understanding. It lacks true creativity, empathy, and the ability to navigate highly ambiguous situations. Recognizing these distinctions is key to identifying your unique value. To future-proof your career, focus on developing skills that leverage our uniquely human capabilities. These are the areas where you can consistently outperform any machine. Let's dive into some of the most critical ones. AI can analyze data, but it cannot formulate truly novel solutions to unstructured problems. Your ability to dissect complex issues, synthesize diverse information, and devise innovative strategies remains invaluable. This involves asking the right questions and challenging assumptions. Developing strong critical thinking means moving beyond surface-level analysis. It requires you to evaluate information, identify biases, and make nuanced judgments. These are skills essential for leadership and strategic decision-making in any field. While AI can generate content or designs based on existing patterns, it cannot originate truly groundbreaking ideas or artistic expressions. Human creativity involves imagination, intuition, and the ability to connect disparate concepts in novel ways. This is where true innovation stems from. Embrace opportunities to think outside the box and challenge conventional approaches. Whether it's developing new products, services, or processes, your unique creative spark is a powerful asset. Foster an environment where new ideas are encouraged and explored. AI cannot genuinely understand or respond to human emotions. Your capacity for empathy, building rapport, and navigating complex social dynamics is irreplaceable. These skills are fundamental for effective leadership, teamwork, and client relations. Emotional intelligence allows you to understand your own emotions and those of others, guiding your thinking and behavior. It's crucial for negotiation, conflict resolution, and fostering a positive work environment. Strong interpersonal skills will always be in demand. The pace of technological change means that continuous learning is no longer optional. It's a necessity. Your ability to adapt to new tools, processes, and industry trends is paramount. A growth mindset, embracing change as an opportunity, is your ultimate AI-proofing strategy. Commit to regularly updating your knowledge and skills. This involves staying curious, seeking out new information, and being open to learning from every experience. The most successful professionals are those who never stop evolving. Beyond individual skills, consider how you can strategically position yourself within your organization and industry. This involves leveraging AI rather than competing directly with it. Instead of viewing AI as a threat, learn to use it as a powerful tool to enhance your productivity and capabilities. Master AI-powered software and platforms relevant to your field. This allows you to focus on higher-value, human-centric tasks. By understanding AI's strengths, you can delegate routine tasks to it, freeing up your time for strategic thinking, creative problem-solving, and building relationships. Become proficient in prompting AI effectively to get the best results. The most valuable professionals often possess a blend of technical expertise and human-centric skills. Combine your core domain knowledge with an understanding of AI's potential and limitations. This interdisciplinary approach creates unique value. For example, a marketing professional who understands AI analytics can craft more effective campaigns. An HR professional leveraging AI for recruitment can focus more on candidate experience and strategic talent development. In an increasingly automated world, human connections become even more vital. Strong professional networks provide opportunities for collaboration, mentorship, and staying informed about industry changes. Relationships are built on trust and empathy, which AI cannot replicate. Actively engage with your peers, mentors, and industry leaders. Attend conferences, participate in professional groups, and seek out opportunities for collaboration. Your network is a powerful resource for career resilience. Now, let's turn these insights into concrete steps you can take today. Proactive engagement is key to securing your professional future. Take an honest inventory of your current skills. Identify areas where you excel in human-centric capabilities and pinpoint any gaps. Consider how your existing strengths align with the AI-proof skills we've discussed. This self-assessment is the first step towards targeted development. Understand where you are strong and where you need to grow to maximize your impact. Dedicate time and resources to developing the skills that matter most. Explore online courses, certifications, workshops, and industry conferences. Many platforms offer excellent training in critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and AI literacy. Make learning a regular part of your professional routine. Even small, consistent efforts can lead to significant growth over time. Stay curious and committed to expanding your knowledge base. Look for roles and projects that involve human-AI collaboration. These opportunities allow you to gain practical experience in leveraging AI tools and developing your unique human skills in tandem with technology. Embrace these new challenges. Position yourself as someone who can bridge the gap between human insight and technological capability. This makes you an indispensable asset to any organization. Learning is most effective when you apply what you've learned. Seek out opportunities to practice your critical thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence in your daily work. Volunteer for projects that challenge you in these areas. The more you exercise these muscles, the stronger they become. Don't just accumulate knowledge, actively integrate it into your professional practice. The rise of AI is not a threat to human potential, but rather an invitation to elevate it. By focusing on your uniquely human strengths and strategically leveraging AI, you can build a career that is not just AI-proof, but truly future-ready. Embrace this exciting new chapter with confidence and a commitment to continuous growth. Your future is bright, and your unique contributions are more valuable than ever. Start building your AI-proof career today.